Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's update our view on the gold market. So as you can see, the price behavior recently was really outstanding, but this action is important for us not just because of the performance quality, but just every time when we talk on the gold market this week, we keep in mind our weekly double repo buy. And the action that we see right now is very good for the pattern that we have on the weekly, because precisely this action we would like to see when we're talking about the double repo, when we see the market is forming double repo pattern, no matter at what time frame it happens. So for a weekly time frame, if you remember, after this collapse on Monday, we have some doubts on the perspective of the double repo, but we said that the invalidation point is 1180, and since it was held and market has broken recently the bearish setup, so that has forced us to change our view on the 180 degrees. So this upward action here, this rally, is the logical continuation of the process that we saw yesterday on the market. Besides this, very good for double repo potential on the weekly, because double repo targets just the action at least the 50% resistance and stands around 1260 area. So this is really big potential, so we could get the direction for a few weeks, which is very good for us. Now, what we have on today's session. First of all, take a look that market stands deeply overbought. For the commodities markets, standing for overbought for an extended period of time, it's not the problem actually compared to the financial markets. Commodities and crude oil, gold market could spend a lot of time outside of the overbought and oversold borders. So this is just a feature of the commodities markets. And anyway, the existence of the overbought here and with the accompanied by the fib level will press on the market, and it means that some retracement could happen here. That's why right now, immediately, maybe it's not a good time to go long and better to wait for some dip to buy into. Besides, if we'll take a look at the follow time frame chart, you see here's our market of the early reversal. So you can see what has happened after that. Anyway, market right now stands at some semi position, because let's take a look at standing high. It's showing very aggressive upward action, but it can't complete the major targets just because of the daily overbought area and the resistance. And here, take a look at market has stopped in a few steps from the 1618 extension of the butterfly at 1230 and OP target 1235. Pay attention that these targets, guys, stands inside confidence resistance, at least very close to the confidence resistance on the daily. 1238, this will be the first level. I would suggest that market probably sooner rather than later will complete these targets, but maybe not today because of the overbought. It means that retracement hardly will be very significant, and after that, as a retracement will happen, most probably that market will proceed high and complete these targets. Because 127 extension of the butterfly already has been passed, as it no longer exists, and acceleration of this butterfly usually leads to the completion of the 1618 at minimum. It means that we need to watch for some retracement to take the long position here. On the hourly chart, we have not bad setup that potentially could give us kind of the bread and butter trade, not only hourly chart, but on the follow time frame chart right here. And the level that we will be watching for is an area around 1208, 1210 probably. As you can see, this is the upper border of the channel. This gold market likes to retest important levels and borders that has been broken. And also that will be a trade support of the thrust action, or major trade support if you will build the levels not from this low but from the major low here, or even from these lows. This will be approximately around 1206 area. That will be the cluster of the trade support. I think that's the level that we could watch for. because chances that the market will hit it are not really bad, because market stands at the overbought on the daily, and it suggests a bit deeper retracement. Besides, gold market is the kind of a market that usually shows deeper retracement compared to the financial markets. This is just the habit of the gold market, the feature of the gold market. So it means that it's very good action for our perspective with the double repo on the weekly chart. Means that we have the direction for 1-2 weeks probably, and this direction is up. Now all that we need to see to get it, just wait for appropriate level to take the long position, and it will be perfect if we will get some bullish continuation pattern, some kind of the maybe A, B, C, D retracement here, regardless triple to buy, will be perfect. So that's our view on the gold market right now.